Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create WordPress menu using two methods. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also please hit the bell icon, and every time I upload new video you will be notified. With that said, let us get started. Open your WordPress dashboard and go to the appearance and then menus. As you can see, there is no any menu created. Under the menu structure, go to the menu name and enter your menu name. So your menu name may be anything, and I can call it main menu. Go to the menu setting. Under the menu setting, you will assign your menu location. So the menu location will be a place where this menu should be displayed. In my case, I will put in primary, that's at the top of my website, and I tick this one, primary. And then when you finish it, and click on create menu at the right bottom corner. Now, as you can see, our menu is created, but our menu does not have any items. That means, for example, about page, the contact page, the black page, anything like that. It doesn't have anything. So we need to create a menu items. If you see, for example, this website, you can see a black, a WordPress, contact, and about. These are menu items that we need to add to our menus. So let us back to our site, and under the add menu items, for example, you may have about page, a contact page, or you may view any pages you have created previously. So under view all, I will select the home page, the black page, the about page, and the contact page, and all of them, and then click on add to menu. Now, as you can see, all of the items we selected are added to our menu, and then when you finish everything, you can click on save menus at the bottom right corner. Now let us see the front end of our website. On your WordPress site name, right click on it and open link in new tab to view the front end. As you can see, the home page, the black page, the about page, and the contact page has been created easily. So you can create your menus using this method. Okay, let us back to our dashboard again. Okay, now before we go to the second method, let us show you something that you can do with the menu items. If you want to create a sub item for the menu item, you can, for example, I can use the black page. Okay, I can use the black page, and then I can hold it and drag forward a little bit and then leave it. We can find the black page under home page. For example, let us save the menu, click on save it, and then let us refresh our home page. Now, as you can see, under the home page, we have a black page. We access the black page from under the home page. This is how you can create some sub items. The other thing is you can move each item to any location you want. For example, if I want to move about page above the contact page, I can hold this about page and then move above the contact page, so that the about page will be above the contact page. And then if you want again to create a sub item for the home page, you can do like this. You can move it forward and leave it so that these two will be under this. And let us save it and again changes. Now let us refresh our website. Now the about page and the black page are under the home page, and then we do have a contact page, as you can see. So this is how you can create a menu in WordPress using this method. Now let us go to the second. Before we go to the second method, we need to delete our menu and then create menus using the second method. Now to delete your menu, at the bottom part you can find a delete menu and click on it, and then accept this one, and then your menu will be completely deleted. Now there is no any menu created. Now go to the second method. Okay, now let us create a menus using a second method. Go to the appearance and then customize. Okay, depending on your theme, you can find the menu on different location, but in my theme I can find menu here. Click on menu, then it says create menu. Now I can create menu from here. Let us click on what is menu name. Under the menu name, let's call it main menu. Then menu location, it says where do you want this menu to appear. I want to be a primary location, and then after that click on next. Now our main menu has been created, and the second is add items. So you need to add items for your menu. So item, I want to add, for example, every page I've created previously. Here are my pages that are created. If you want, you can add posts. If you want, you can add categories. If you want, you can add tags. So everything is here for you. Now let us add a black page, an about page, and a contact page. These are something we need to create, and then when you finish it, click on add items and it will be back. So as you can see, you can see from here the front end, the black page, the about page, and the contact page has been added. If you want to rearrange or reorder menu items, you can click on reorder button here, and then, for example, these are to move forward, to move upward. This one is to move forward, to make it a sub item. So let us move it the contact page above the about page. Now if I move this one, now the contact page is above the about page. And then if I want, for example, the about page to be a sub item for a contact page, I can move it forward like this, and so that it will be indented, as you can see. Now under contact page you will find the about page here, as you can see. So let us back it, and then using this method you can create your menus as you want, and which methods work for you. You can use which one is easy for you. When you finish this one rearrangement, click on done, and then click on, don't forget to click on publish. If you publish, the menu will be permanently appearing on your website. Now click on publish. Now our menus has been published, and then click on this cancel button, and then go to the front end of our page. Let us open new window. Now as you can see, the black page, the contact page, and the about page has been created for our website. So thank you for your staying with me. I'm very happy to share this video with you. This is the end of our today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also if you want, you can share my videos and also like it. And I need your comments for improving my video.